Welcome to EDGEucatedTrader.com. My goal is to help you make money in the stock market. My name is Karthik Sitaraman. I have about a decade of experience in trading stocks, options, futures, and forex. In this venture, EDGEucatedTrader.com, I'm going to be providing you with trade entries that are based on trading edges that actually work. To showcase this, I'm going to be doing a 2-month exercise where I would provide stock picks based on my trading methodology with complete details such as entry price, stop price, and target price. I've also put together a position sizing calculator that is available for download at no cost. Look for the link below this video. Protecting capital is the name of the game here. No one knows for sure what the market is going to be doing in the next minute, next hour, next day, or next month. So one should always assume the worst when putting on a trade and should take every effort to limit the risk. For this reason, no trade should ever be taken without a stop loss order. The position sizing calculator would help you decide the number of shares you can trade based on your capital and risk tolerance. I would recommend a 1% or 2% risk per trade. I would create a separate video to explain how the position sizing calculator works, but I guess most of you would be able to use it on your own as it is quite self-explanatory. I will be tracking every trade entry that I'm posting here in a tracker worksheet. It can be found under this video as well. It will feature all details related to the trade entries. All wins and losses will be recorded as is. I expect this sheet to corroborate the effectiveness of my trading methodology. With all that and out of the way, let's look at some charts and trade entries. We are looking at Apple chart in the monthly time frame on January 20th. Tomorrow being the holiday, the market opens on 22nd. So if and when the price reaches 159.25 in the next week or upcoming week, the trade could be entered, and the stop loss needs to be set at 141.50, and the target that we are aiming for is 194.75. We are risking what I call a risk unit, one risk unit for every 2 risk units that we are trying to obtain from the market. So our stop loss will always be 1 risk unit in relation to the target price, that is 2 risk units in this case. So that will be Apple chart. Moving on. I moved a little bit faster. Okay, Google. This is the Google chart again in the monthly time frame. The entry could be made at 11.12 and the stop could be set at $1,000, and the target we are aiming for is 13.36. Moving on. This is NRG Energy Incorporated. It's a 2-hour time frame, relatively a shorter trade compared to the other two. Entry could be made at 40.65. Stop should be set up at $40, and target should be set up at 41.95. And the last chart for today is Teva Pharmaceuticals. Again, 2-hourly time frame. Entry could be made at 18.82. Stop could be set at 18.48, and the target we are aiming for is 19.50. Here we are looking at the tracker worksheet I have put together. As you can see here, I've inserted information for all the trade entries that I just talked about. And I just want to make sure that everyone understands that this Excel sheet and the trading picks and this video and everything related to that is for illustration purposes only. No actual trades would be taken. Past performance cannot guarantee future results. Trading is not appropriate for all investors. You can lose a lot of money, sometimes more than you invested. This is not a recommendation or solicitation for you to buy a stock or sell stock. You assume all the risks if you follow this. Please don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, which is very, very important. So you make your own call. This is just for your information. Okay. I would see you in the next video. Thank you.